whatever reason, I've been off the train when it comes to cleaning routines, and I really want to get back onto a schedule. So I looked into the Clean Mama, and she is on Instagram. I'll link her below, but she has a daily cleaning routine that I think might work for me. It's very simple, very straightforward. I'm gonna try hers for a week, her daily cleaning routine. I'm gonna see what I think. I'd also like to thank Thrive Market, who is sponsoring today's video. To help me out today, I'm gonna be using the Rosie line from Thrive Market. Now, Thrive Market is an online-based grocery store. Once you're a member, you can shop as often as you'd like. Their mission is to make healthy living both easy and affordable for everyone. They have so many options on their website, from organic food and snacks to clean beauty products, eco-friendly cleaning solutions, which is what I was really interested in for today's video. And that is what I love about this online service. For me, when I go into the grocery store, I have to weed through so much just to find maybe an option that I'm happy with. Probably not even. My nearest health food store is very far away, and it's just been a frustrating and overwhelming experience. And as you know, I love looking into more eco-friendly organic options where possible, and I love that I can save at every single checkout, which is, I think, amazing for everybody. So you will save money. I saved over $28 on this particular order. You are guaranteed to save money on every single purchase, and every order over $49 gets free shipping. So today we're going to be using the glass and mirror cleaner, which I thought was amazing because it's unscented. Not all of their products are unscented, but I notice I talk a lot about scents and how it smells, and not everybody actually wants a scent. So we're gonna be using the glass and mirror cleaner from Thrive. We're also gonna be, this is for the people who do like a scent, and I've used these already. This is not gonna be a first impression. I've actually been using these and already love them, which is why I'm promoting them to you guys. So this is the all-purpose cleaner. This is in the lemon scent, which this one does smell absolutely amazing, especially headed into spring. Just follow my link in the description box for 30% off your first order, and then you'll also get a free gift up to a $60 value. I cannot wait to get cleaning, especially with inspiring products. It makes a difference, doesn't it? According to the Clean Mama, this is the formula for a seamless and smooth daily cleaning routine. She says, number one, make your bed. Guys, I have been so skeptical about this one. I even did some research. Does it really make a difference to make your bed? Here's what I found out. According to research, if you make your bed every day, it makes you more likely to continue doing tasks, accomplishing things, and getting your to-do list done. It also supposedly helps with clutter because you're not as inclined to leave things on the floor, clutter the nightstand if your bed is made. I am currently out of the habit of making my bed every day, especially when it comes to putting on the throw blanket, the pillows, but I'm going to test this for a week and see what I think. Every single day, I'm going to go around and check the floors. Not that I'm actually going to sweep and mop every single day, but I'm gonna spot sweep and spot mop and spot vacuum. I actually really like this because it doesn't feel like such a huge burden, such a gigantic commitment. She also has her weekly cleaning routine where every single day you're gonna do the daily and then add 1 or 2 small things which constitute the weekly cleaning routine. Next, Becky says you are gonna do the dishes every single day and wipe down the counters. I am so lucky because I have a dishwasher. I know that not everyone does, and that makes doing dishes really overwhelming, but let's do the challenge together regardless. I'm gonna do the dishes every single day. My challenge, like last night I actually left some dishes in the sink along with a couple stinky rags. Okay, so my challenge is gonna be, no matter how tired, no matter how busy, I'm not gonna go to bed with any dishes in the sink. So that's gonna be my challenge, and it shouldn't be hopefully too bad because, like I said, I have a dishwasher and I can't complain, right? All right, then she says, I love this one, never leave a room without relocating something. This is the only handle it once or Ohio rule. You are gonna walk into a room and not leave it before you've put something away or relocated it to another room. Finally, she says, sort the mail and do a load of laundry, putting the folded laundry away at the very end. So what is that? Only 5 things: make your bed, check the floors, wipe the counters, do the dishes, put things away, sort the mail, and do the laundry. Okay, it's 7. It's 7 things, but I still feel like it's doable. So this is what we're gonna do every single day this week. Let's see how it goes. But first, let's get rid of the smudges off of this door with the Rosy glass and mirror cleaner. It's not part of my list, but I cannot move forward with those smudges staring at me. Our doggy scratches at the back door and leaves all kinds of prints over the glass, all over the glass. So like I said, I really like this specific glass cleaner because it's unscented, and I feel like for people that are more sensitive to scents, this one is going to be perfect. It also works great. This is my current laundry situation, so I'm gonna have to get that done. We already have the bed made from earlier this morning. Since I'm in my bedroom anyway, I'm gonna check for anything that needs to be relocated because I don't wanna leave this room empty-handed. I have a return at the Kid to Kid. I could have done this return last week if I had remembered to put this in my car, but I'm gonna go put this in my car now. I'm running upstairs to grab the dish soap, which I left in my bedroom, but I just noticed there are some things on the stairwell. So check the floor. So as I'm going up the stairs, I'm just gonna hand pick some of the bigger pieces up because let's be honest, vacuuming the stairs is miserable. I just grabbed all of this off the stairs and I just realized there's so much dog hair. I'm gonna grab one of my kids. It's Saturday, they can help out. I'm gonna have them vacuum the stairs just for the hair. But look at all that I just picked up. That is gross. I'm gonna go ahead and load up those dishes from last night. And then I love to clean my sink after I do the dishes. This is the Rosy dish soap. This is in the grapefruit and lemon scent. Not only does it smell incredible, but it also is, I have no better description other than it is the creamiest dish soap I've ever used. Lots of other dish soaps are, try and say that 10 times fast, are really greasy. This one is creamy. It is heaven in a bottle. I got it from my Thrive Market order. I love it. Sorting the mail is something that I try and do every single day. I agree, this is a great daily habit or a great thing to put on your routine. And then I just grabbed this at Home Goods. It's a little mail organizer caddy, and this is super nice if you don't like having your mail or your bills all over the counter, the ones that you need to keep. Clean Mama says, wipe down your counters every single day. I'm using the Rosy All-Purpose Cleaner. This is in the lemon scent. This is a really bright scent. And I really like using degreasers or all-purpose cleaners for the countertops just because it really does help lift everything. It makes the job easier. So I'll spray it, let it sit for a second, and then wipe it up. Although not on Clean Mama's daily cleaning checklist, I have got to quickly do something about this downstairs toilet. I'm going to be using the Rosy Toilet Bowl Cleaner in the eucalyptus and tea tree scent. Works like a charm. It also has a really strong scent, so if you're sensitive, be careful, but I love it. All right, it has been an entire week since I started the Clean Mama's daily cleaning routine. No matter how tired I was, how late it was, I made sure that I did every single thing on that checklist just so that I could give a solid review. I felt like where it helped me the most was in the laundry room. Off the bat, I can say that. I feel like generally I try and do a load a day, fold the laundry, but I got out of the habit of putting it away every night. Walking into a clean and cleared out laundry routine every single day was absolutely amazing. It made doing sheets easier. It made washing comforters easier. Not leaving a single dish in the sink every single night was great, but I feel like that laundry is where it really mattered. I did make my bed every single day, but I'm going to be honest, there were days when I forgot and got around to making my bed around 2 or 3 p.m. So I couldn't really fully see if it helped me with productivity, especially in the morning. So I want to get better about making my bed earlier, but I do think it helped with clutter in the bedroom. I liked the spot cleaning on the floor. It's something I kind of did anyway, but where I think we're going to see the most benefits or the most dramatic kind of reveal is in incorporating her weekly routine as well. So her daily routine is to kind of just do the basics, the bare bones. Then her weekly routine is gonna have a different chore every single day of the week. Let's try that next. One thing that I would actually add to the Clean Mama's daily cleaning routine checklist is taking out the garbage. I didn't even think about this when I was writing the list and presenting it to all of you, but my goodness, take out the trash every single day. I would say if you feel like, okay, we already know this is 7 things, that's a lot of stuff, swap out spot cleaning the floors with taking out the trash. I think that is far more important. Let me know if you agree that trash should be thrown in there as well. Don't forget to check the description box for the link to Thrive Market. Thanks for being here, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.